welcome to Alpha Review. Today, we aren't just looking at a vehicle, we are looking at a paradigm shift in the very concept of mobile luxury. We are witnessing the fusion of high-seas naval architecture with the raw power of long-haul logistics. What you see before you is the Aurelian Nomad, a custom-built, 3-story mobile estate that challenges every convention of what it means to travel. For decades, the industry has been divided. You had the motorhome enthusiasts who prized mobility but were often confined by the dimensional limitations of a standard chassis. Then, you had the yachting elite, who enjoyed unparalleled scale and opulence but were tethered to the coastline. The Nomad bridges that gap. It is a land-yacht in the most literal sense, a sprawling glass and steel sanctuary that rides on the back of a specialized heavy-duty prime mover. As we stand here at the bow, or rather, the forward deck, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer audacity of the exterior design. It uses a series of sweeping, organic exoskeleton ribs that wrap around the glass fuselage. These aren't just aesthetic, they provide the structural integrity required to support 3 levels of living space while in motion. Finished in a bespoke solar flare yellow, the structure glows under the sun, a bold statement of intent that refuses to blend into the background. The prime mover itself is a feat of engineering. To pull a structure of this magnitude, we are looking at a powertrain that produces over 750 horsepower and a staggering amount of torque, delivered through a multi-axle configuration designed to distribute the immense weight of the marble floors and reinforced glass within. It's a silent, smooth giant that acts as the heartbeat of this mobile fortress. Let's move inside, because the exterior, as impressive as it is merely the shell for the masterwork within. Stepping through the main entrance, you are immediately greeted by the grand atrium. This is the social nucleus. The interior palette is a masterclass in quiet luxury. We've utilized ivory-toned performance fabrics for the expansive sectional seating, paired with brushed walnut accents and polished stone. In the center of the room sits a low-profile, minimalist coffee table that anchors the space, while a state-of-the-art, recessed fireplace provides a warm, flickering focal point beneath a massive, ultra-high-definition display integrated into the bulkhead. One of the most breathtaking features of this main deck is the floating spiral staircase. It is a sculptural element of glass and steel that wins its way up to the second and third tiers. As you ascend, the view changes, offering a lofted perspective of the living area below and a wider vista of the horizon outside. It feels less like a staircase and more like a transition between different worlds of comfort. The second level is dedicated to the private quarters and the culinary suite. The kitchen isn't just a kitchenette, it's a professional-grade space featuring induction cooktops, hidden refrigeration units, and custom cabinetry that locks electronically when the vehicle is in motion to ensure nothing shifts. Adjacent to this is the dining area, where a glass table allows for intimate dinners with a view that no stationary Michelin star restaurant could ever hope to replicate. Moving further back on the second floor, we find the primary suite. This is a sanctuary of rest. The bed is positioned centrally, facing the rear glass wall, so your first sight upon waking is the sunrise over whatever destination you've chosen for the night. The ensuite bathroom features a rainfall shower and smart glass partitions that can turn opaque at the touch of a button, providing privacy without sacrificing the open concept feel. The third level, the crown deck, is where the yacht inspiration truly takes over. This is an open-air observation lounge, partially covered by the sweeping curves of the yellow exoskeleton. It features a sec. What makes the Aurelian Nomad truly special is the technology you don't see. The entire structure is stabilized by a gyroscopic leveling system. Even if the road is uneven, the interior remains perfectly level, ensuring that the wine in your glass doesn't even ripple as you cruise at 60 miles per hour. The glass is triple glazed and acoustically treated, cutting out almost all road noise, leaving you in a cocoon of absolute silence. From a sustainability standpoint, the entire roof surface is integrated with thin-film solar cells that feed a massive lithium-ion battery array located in the chassis. This allows the Nomad to remain off-grid 4 weeks at a time, powering the climate control, the desalination water filters, and the high-end kitchen appliances without ever needing to start the main engine. As we walk around to the rear of the vehicle, the design language becomes even more aggressive. The way the yellow structural ribs converge at the stern mimics the wake of a fast-moving ship. There is a foldable hydraulic platform at the back that, when lowered, creates a beach club effect, a perfect